In this session, we're going to talk about some of the new updates to the reports and data collection within the BravoZone. I'm here in Billionaire, but really it doesn't make any difference what platform you use. And the features will change slightly if it's self-paced or instructor-led. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you just some of the basic features here using Billionaire. So I've created my content. I'm going to go to Options. I'm going to go down here. You're going to notice here the default settings when you create a brand new session. So you'll see name and email will be required. Now this is a field that's going to pop up if somebody goes to a self-paced session or an instructor-led. They'll be asked to fill in their basic information. So in this example, it will be name and email. You can also add customized fields. So if you want to add division or company name or whatever, you can do that. And you'll see this is kind of what it's going to look like when they first log in. Now, I have email selected here, and you have a few different options here. So in a self-paced session, if you want the users to get a basic report via email, you can simply come down here, send completion email to participant. And they'll get a basic report. This is how you passed or failed or what your score was. Doesn't give any more information than that. Also, there are other features. If you have sign-in required, will change the look in this. Sign-in required is something you do on the publish page. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that here, but there are a lot of different options that really are allows you to protect your content, and especially features you can use for self-paced sessions. We have a separate tutorial on that. Check the links below. So if I choose sign-in required, you'll notice down here, email and name go away because when you create an account, it has your name and your email. Another thing I want to talk about, and this only applies to sign-in required if that is selected within your session, you can allow the users to see a very detailed report or a basic report, which they can find when they log into the BravoZone. So by default, as of March of 2023, any new sessions, the reports will be very, very basic, simply showing this is when you took the session, this is what your score was, nothing else. But you have the ability to give them a complete report, which breaks it down question by question and shows the proper answer. Very important thing to note though, if you have existing presentations already out there, this setting has not been affected. It is still on by default. So if you want to go to an existing session and turn off the ability for students to see a detailed report, simply turn it off. Keep in mind, once a report is sent out, it cannot be changed regardless of what setting you have. Any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us. And of course, if you want a personal run through, just contact us anytime. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.